Properties of pure substance, gas and gas mixture. The equation which perfectly represents Gibbs phase rule for a process where the pressure is also a variable in expressed as F is equal to C minus P plus 2, where P is number of phase, C is number of chemical components, N is number of non-compositional variable, that is N is equal to 2, H is equal to 2, that is pressure and temperature, F is equal to degree of freedom. Which relationship defines Gibbs free energy? G. G is equal to H minus Ts. Joule-Thomson efficient is defined as Joule-Thomson efficiency is defined as curl T by curl P base H. Joule-Thomson coefficient, the change in temperature which drop in pressure at the constant enthalpy is termed as the Joule-Thomson coefficient. It is denoted by mu. It is vary with both the temperature and pressure of the gases. Joule-Thomson coefficient for an ideal gas is 0. The state that molecular weight of all gases occupy the same volume is known as Avogadro's hypothesis. The statement that molecular weight of all gases occupy the same volume is known as Avogadro hypothesis. Which is a single phase system? Water and alcohol. Single phase system is a mixture of water and alcohol. For an ideal gas, the compressibility factor is unity. For an ideal gas, PV is equal to RT. That is compressibility factor Z is equal to 1. PV is equal Z is equal to PV by RT, where that implies Z is equal to 1. The sample of ideal gas has an internal energy U and is then compressed to one half of its original value while the temperature stays the same. What is the new internal energy of the ideal gas in terms of U? तो आंसर हो जाएगा इसका U. Internal energy of a perfect gas is only a function of temperature only. The real gas internal energy is function of temperature and specific volume. Both U is equal to F into TV. Calcius-Calperon equation gives the slope of the curve in PT diagram. Calcius-Calperon equation dP by dt is equal to Hg minus Hf into P by RT square. The slope of the PT is pressure and temperature is curve. Select the correct statement as per the Charles law. V by T is equal to constant if P is kept constant. Charles law, the volume of a given mass of a perfect gas varies directly to its absolute temperature when absolute pressure remains constant. V is directly proportional to T is equal to constant. Which of the following is a general gas equation? PV is equal to mRT. For any mass m kg of gas, the characteristic gas equation PV is equal to mRT. In SI unit, pressure is expressed in bar. The unit of gas constant R in SI unit is Newton meter per kg Kelvin. R is equal to 287 joule per kg Kelvin or 0.8287 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. The equation PV is equal to mRT may also be expressed in the form of P is equal to m by V RT. M by V is denoted m by V is equal to rho. It means P is equal to rho RT. Which one of the following relations defines the Helmholtz function? U minus Ts. Helmholtz function F is equal to U minus Ts. It is applicable for open system. Gibbs function G is equal to H minus Ts. It is applicable for open system. Where G is equal to Gibbs function. ITPS defines which of the following as a reference for collaboration of temperature scale. Triple point of water. Triple point of water is a reference for calibration of temperature scale. In a single component condensed system, if degree of freedom is 0, the maximum number of phases that can coexist is 3. By using the Gibbs phase rule, P plus F is equal to C plus 2, where when we put F is equal to 0 and C is equal to 1, it means single component system, it means 1, F is equal to 0, degree of freedom is equal to 0, then P is equal to 3. Gibbs phase rule for a general system is P plus F is equal to C plus 2, where P is equal to number of phase, F is equal to degree of freedom, C is equal to number of component. Which of the following option can always be approximated to be an ideal gas? Highly superheated vapor. Which of the following options can always be approximated to be an ideal gas? A highly superheated vapor. Assumption of ideal gas. Intermolecular force should be negligible. Volume occupied by the molecule should be negligible compared to the container volume. Water vapor mixed with air is considered as ideal gas. Steam should never be considered as ideal gas unless mentioned. Steam is the special term given to the gaseous form of water only when present at high temperature. Pick the correct statement about the pure substance. A mixture of two or more phases of pure substance as long as the chemical composition of all the phases is the same throughout. Pure substance, the mixture of two or more phases of a pure substance as long as the chemical composition of all the phases is the same throughout. Water vapor can be considered as ideal gas at low pressure. At low pressure and high temperature, all gases and water vapor approaches the ideal gas behavior. In van der Waals equation of a state, the two constants are determined from the behavior of the substance at triple point. In van der Waals equation, the state of the two constants are determined from the behavior of the substance at triple point. Van der Waals equation is RT is equal to P plus A by V square into V minus B. A specific heat of monoatomic gases is decreased with temperature rise. The molar specific heat of gas at constant pressure Cp is the amount of heat required to rise the temperature of 1 mole of the gas by 1 degree Celsius at the constant pressure. Its volume for monoatomic ideal gas is 5 R by 2 and volume of diatomic gas ideal gas is 7 R by 2. A positive value of Joule-Thomson coefficient of a liquid means temperature dropping during throttling. Joule-Thomson equation, and it means that mu is equal to dt by curl T by curl P enthalpy. It means mu is either less than when temperature rise, less than 0 when temperature rise. Mu is equal to 0 when temperature is remain constant. Mu is greater than 0 when temperature drop. Joule-Thomson process is throttling process. Mu is equal to d curl T by curl P at constant enthalpy. H is the enthalpy process. Our gas having negative Joule-Thomson coefficient mu is less than 0 where throttling will become warmer. Joule-Thomson coefficient mu is equal to curl T by curl P at constant enthalpy. When mu is less than 0, it means become warmer. When mu is greater than equal to 0, sorry, when mu is equal to 0, it means remain constant at same temperature. When mu is greater than 0, it means become cooler. Most of the gas exhibit drop in temperature upon expansion. However, this may to be true in case of hydrogen. In thermodynamics, the Joule-Thomson, also known as the Joule-Kelvin effect or Kelvin-Joule effect, describe the temperature change of a real gas or liquid when it is forced through a volume or porous plug while keeping it insulated so that no heat is exchanged with the environment. This process is called a throttling process or Joule-Thomson process. At room temperature, all gases except hydrogen, helium, and neon cool upon expansion by the Joule-Thomson process. When being throttled through an orifice, there three gases experience the same effect but only at lower temperature. The most of the gas exhibit drop in temperature upon expansion. However, this may not be true in case of hydrogen. It may be true in case of carbon dioxide, oxygen, and helium, but this cannot be true in case of hydrogen. This is in thermodynamics, Joule-Kelvin-Thomson, also known as the Joule-Kelvin effect or Kelvin-Joule effect, describe the temperature change of real gas or liquid when it is forced through a volume or porous plug while keeping it insulated so that no heat is exchanged with the environment. This process is called throttling process or Joule-Thomson process. At room temperature, all gases except hydrogen, helium, and neon cool upon expansion by Joule-Thomson process, which when being begin throttled through an orifice, there three gas experience the same effect but only at lower temperature. If the dryness fraction of a sample of by throttling calorimeter is 0.8, that is separating calorimeter is 0.8, also 0.8, then the actual dryness fraction sample will be taken as 0.64. Dry x1 is equal to dryness fraction of steam considering a separating calorimeter. X2 is dryness fraction of steam entering the throttling calorimeter. It means dryness fraction is actual dryness fraction is x1 into x2. It means 0.8 into 0.8 is equal to 0.64. Mole fraction of a component of gas mixture is equal to F. The mole fraction of any component of a mixture is the ratio of the number of mole of that substance to the total number of mole of all substance present. In a mixture of gases, the partial pressure of each gas is the product of the total pressure and the mole fraction of that gas. When the fuel is burned and water is released in the liquid phase, the heating value of fuel is called higher heating value. A liquid behaves as an ideal gas provided it is at high temperature and low pressure. A real gas obeys the perfect gas law at high temperature and low pressure. A real gas obeys the perfect gas law at high temperature and low pressure. Intermolecular attraction between the molecules are negligible. Volume occupied by the molecules as compared to the total volume is negligible. Match the following. Heat transfer is a path function. Empirical temperature is isothermal. Polarization is dipole moment. Heat transfer is a path function. Joule experiment is a mechanical equivalent of heat, and dithermic is permeable of heat transfer. Empirical temperature is isothermal. Polarization is dipole moment. Heat transfer is a path function. Joule experiment is a mechanical equivalent of heat. Dithermic is permeable of heat transfer. The point that connects the saturated liquid line to the saturated vapor line is called critical point. The property of a liquid and vapor are identical at the critical point. The enthalpy of vaporization at critical point is 0. The enthalpy of vaporization at a critical point is 0. It means that HFG is equal to Hg minus Hf. According to the Dalton's law, the total pressure of the mixture of the gases is equal to the sum of the partial pressure of all. According to the Dalton's law, the total pressure of the mixture of gases is equal to the sum of the partial pressure of all. Calculate the dryness fraction of the steam which has 1.5 kg of water in suspension with 50 kg of steam. Mass of water is 1.5 kg, mass of vapor is 50 kg, dryness fraction is equal to mv by mw plus mv. X is equal to 50 by 1.5 plus 50 is equal to 0.976. Which one of the following property remain unchanged for a real gas during Joule-Thomson process? Enthalpy. Enthalpy property remain unchanged for a real gas during Joule-Thomson process because mu is equal to curl T by curl P at constant enthalpy. Which are one of the following gases will have the maximum value of gas constant? It means R. Nitrogen. The element molecular weight of nitrogen is 28, carbon dioxide is 44, sulfur dioxide is 64, and oxygen is 32. Gas constant is equal to R naught by, R bar by M. It means gas constant is inversely proportional to the mass of the molecular mass. The specific heat of the gas remain constant at all pressure and temperature. This statement pertains to the Reynolds law. According to the Reynolds law, the specific heat of gas remain constant at all pressure and temperature. The specific heat of an ideal gas depends on its temperature alone. The specific heat is the amount of heat per unit mass required to rise the temperature by 1 degree Celsius. It means delta Q is equal to mc delta T. C is equal to delta Q by m delta T, where m is equal to mass, C is equal to specific heat joule per kg degree Celsius. Delta Q is equal to change in thermal energy joule. Delta T is equal to change in temperature degree Celsius. The substance which is homogeneous and invariable in chemical composition throughout its mass is called as pure substance. The substance which is homogeneous and invariable in chemical composition throughout its mass is called pure substance. No liquid can exist as liquid at zero pressure. No liquid can exist as it liquid at zero pressure. Generally, absolute zero pressure is the point where there exists in a minimum temperature, that is zero. That can be possible only when the molecular moment of a system becomes zero. There should not be any motion of a particle, so there is no collision of particles. Kinetic energy in fuel is and the temperature becomes zero. Sublimation is the process of change from the liquid solid state to the gaseous state. When a solid turns into a gas without first becoming the liquid, that's sublimation. The value of dryness fraction at a critical point of water steam phase transformation may be 0, 1, either 0 or 1. The value of dryness fraction at critical point of water steam phase transformation is undefined. Latent heat of vaporization of water at a critical point is 0. Latent heat of vaporization at water decreases with increase in pressure and becomes 0 at the critical point. The value of characteristic constant of oxygen would be 0.262 kilojoule kg per kg Kelvin. The value of characteristic constant of oxygen would be 0.262 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. It is dry to store 28 kg of nitrogen and 14 MPa pressure and 27 degrees Celsius in cylinder. Assuming that the nitrogen behaves like an ideal gas, determine the size of the cylinder. 0.1782 meter cube. M is equal to 28, P is equal to 14 MPa, T is equal to 27 degrees Celsius. It means 300 Kelvin. According to the ideal gas equation, PV is equal to MRT. MRT. According to the gas law, R is equal to R bar by M, where M is equal to molecular weight. It means weight of the nitrogen is 28. In universal gas constant is 8.314 kilojoule Kelvin per Kelvin meter cube Kelvin meter kilojoule per Kelvin per meter kilo, where R is equal to 0. It means gaseous constant is R is equal to 0.2969 kilojoule Kelvin per kg. V is equal to V पुट करो, इसका आंसर आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. The principle of working of the constant volume thermometer is based on the principle of working of constant volume thermometer is based on Gay-Lussac's law. Constant volume of gaseous thermometer. This thermometer working on the principle of law of Gay-Lussac. The law states that when the temperature of an ideal gas increases, there is a corresponding increase in pressure. Also, when the temperature decreases, the pressure too decreases correspondingly. Thank you.